Halo split shank. So right now you already know how most of this goes. So let's start by shutting everything off from the right. There you go. There's one side. There's the other side. As we go up the ring, the opening, there's the under pieces. There's the ring. So this top portion is the halo. We have a round brilliant stone right now, and we have moved the mesh up. We can move it slightly down if you want using this where you want it. Now let's go 7. Okay. 6 by 8. And you can turn the wires off. We must have it another time in here as well. That's fine. And we're forcing 12 stones. Number of stones 12. Let's go number of stones. And these are 2mm stones. 1.5mm stones. And let's go 18. There you go. That don't look too bad. And you follow it all the way through. We're orienting to the top of the ring. Orienting to the top of the ring. And we're changing the color to ruby. So those are all the gemstones. You can change the top to white. And those are all the pieces. So there's the halo. So there's the underwire. There's the curves underneath. How they're made is with points or piping points, and you can move these points if you want. And we have a bypass ring here we're using, and we're using these points here to make the bypass ring. So we can adjust these points if we want now. And it's creating the bypass shank. We're adding the diamonds, number of stones 3. It's 1.7mm. There are the stones. There's the shank. Now to clean that up,